Now that we have some more information on our patient after doing our vital scan, we have some other tools on the AO Scanner dashboard that we can use to get a little more detailed into the therapy, or to try and find what is that root cause that may have created that challenge. So one of the great tools that we use first is a comprehensive. The comprehensive allows us to go and then pick some of those challenges that we saw on that vitals report. So you can come in here to this list. Maybe it's somebody's talking about brain fog or some of those other challenges kind of brain related. I could look at blood flow. We're going to go to the arteries of the head. All you do is double click on the item, and it adds it to the list to the right. You can add up to 12 items to your list at one time for it to scan through all of those things. So as you go through and pick out those things, double click on them, send them to the list to the right, then you would go and you would hit scan. The scanner will then go and scan through all of the things that you have in the selected list to the right. Now that the scan has been performed, you can see that the list on the right is now in red. These are challenged areas, so some areas that may have some ones or twos, and the way that you look at this is the same key as that you saw in the vitals report. 1 being chronic, 9 being acute, 5 being balanced or homeostasis. So you can see here that we have a 1, which would be kind of a chronic challenge that is very critical based on that right vein. So, based on those items, then you could go into here and I could either hit frequency optimization and it would then go and do a round of therapy based on those challenged areas. Or I can go to the database, and from the database I can then test these tissues or organs and see what may be the potential challenge that may have be that root cause, and I can then go and from there create a customized therapy to go back and try to repair that issue. So I would select whatever it is, hit analyze database. Within 4 to 5 seconds it produces what some of those potential challenges may be. Blue would be future, kind of saying, hey, potentially on this path